So the whole time you're just trying to stay ahead of it because you have no control, because this is something you have to certify. And when you want to make a huge impact on the world, you got to have to deal with the FAA or EASA or these certifying authorities. And they're not always in the most, they're not always in the most encouraging positions, the FAA. I guess if you're in drugs, you have to do FDA or FCC when you're dealing with communications. So the government authorities have a tendency to want to kill everything, and you have to fight through that. That was a big challenge. Yeah, there were actually two pivotal moments that really stuck with me. One of them was when we were flying my little airplane with a prototype system. I needed to be able to dump the load from a gust in 1/10 of a second, because that was critical in order to get ahead of the gust and the loads coming in from the gust. And once I saw that on a graph after we did a flight test, that was it. Okay, we're ready now. We can do this. Then we got a Citation jet and a Cirrus, and we started working on that stuff, and then we set a world record. Then Textron got involved. It was a huge milestone. Then we got certified in December of 2015, huge milestone. So once we got certified, the other milestones after that were that was a CJ, and then we did the CJ1, and then the 1 Plus, and then the CJ3, and the 3 Plus, and then 2, and the 2 Plus, and the M2. We just kept doing these, and we got in the habit of successfully doing these certifications and bringing that onto market, doing our flight test engineering and our flight test flying, and submitting that data. And we just got the habit of success, and our team really gelled. We were getting very efficient at it, and so we just continuing to expect success and bringing in new products. What I see with the Tamarack technology is that it's not just for aftermarket aircraft now. It's going to move into aircraft coming off the production line or new designs. There's no reason why you wouldn't have a load alleviation system, our system, on a new aircraft. It just makes the wing lighter. It makes the aircraft have less inertial response to a specific gust velocity. It changes all the design parameters that allow for engineers, aerodynamicists, loads guys, weights guys, all to have the next step in aircraft design. So this is not just something that's a flash in the pan. We were 10 years ahead of everything, but now it's catching up. No matter what industry you're in, you're going to want to watch this growth. You're going to want to watch the way we go from where we are now into the future. We have so many ways of staying connected. We have our newsletter. Sign up for our newsletter. Follow us on all the social media channels. There's so many ways to get data that we're doing and project into the future of what we're going to be bringing to the industry, and working with other industry leaders to really just squeeze as much as we can out of this technology into the future.